You wanna go, Royce? Look at me. You wanna go outside and play? Look, snow. You wanna go play with the snow?
No.
Okay, let's go. Let's go dress up so we can go outside. Let's go. Let's go dress up so you can go play with the snow. Let's go. It? You like it? You ready to go play? Look. He's not talking. Okay. Show me your glove. You. Okay, I want to see you run. Can you run? Run. Yo. Run. Are you having fun? You wanna go back to the house? Let me try to see if he is gonna want to go back. Baba, let's go home. You wanna go home? You wanna go home? You wanna go back in the house? This boy is ignoring me. Okay, you wanna run? Okay, go. Hey. Okay, let's go back. Baba, you have to go back. Let's go home. No, Baba, let's go. We have to go back, Baba. We have to go. Please, we have to go. It's getting cold. Go. We have to go, Baba. No, okay. Did you have fun? Did you have fun? Did you have fun? Okay, let's go. Let's go back. Let's go back in the house. But open the door. Oh. Hey. Open the door. Open the door. Go.
The boy didn't want to go inside, but I know how to distract him. Just entertain him, make some good meal. He's a boss. Thank you.